JSON is a very common data format, also known as JavaScript object notation. It's used by a lot of applications and APIs to pass data back and forth. And being able to read JSON and parse it is very valuable in programming. So here's a quick example of how JSON usually comes back. It's usually in a structured tree. And there are great easy ways in Python to read in similar data for JSON. And let's go ahead and do some of that really quickly. So to work with JSON in Python, the first thing you need to do is you need to import JSON before you could do anything with it. And that's as simple as running the import JSON command. And we don't have a file readily available, so we're just going to create a JSON structure here. Very similar to, what it would look like. So we could do, here, I'll copy this in. So essentially, it's going to be similar to a dictionary structure where the first value is going to be the name of the element, and the second one is the value, and then you have a comma, and then you specify the remainder of the items you want to put into your JSON value. So this is just creating a variable with a JSON in it. And what you could do is, now that we've imported JSON, we could do JSON.loads the value of x, and then let's just run that by itself and make sure that code works. And now we can print the values of JSON. So it's in y, so y dot age, and we're looking for, you've specified the column name you're looking for. So in this case, it's going to be, we're going to grab the age 30. If you specify it without a numerator, it essentially brings back the entire JSON string. So this allows you to now, with this JSON loads, to parse very large JSON files, which we'll look at our automation class later on, and then how to extract different values from that JSON and do a series of items and translations, and even write back to another JSON file to be sent to another application. If we already have a dictionary available in our Python script, we could take that dictionary and convert it to JSON as well. So this was a JSON string. This easily could have been a dictionary, which again is written very similar to this. So we will say z is equal to, and we're going to start our dictionary with curly brackets. And we're going to say name colon my name, and then followed by a comma. Let's go ahead and add some more elements in here. Age 37, and city is New York as well. So we now have a dictionary, and very similar, you could say C is equal to this dictionary. Oh, to do that, it's not a load, it's a dump, because we're going to be dumping from our dictionary into our variable. And now we could print what ended up in our dictionary, or into our as parse. So here we go. So this is how you would take a dictionary object in Python and essentially parse it into JSON.